Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to access Android files on PC in 2025. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned user, this guide will make transferring files a breeze. With advancements in connectivity, it's easier than ever to sync your photos, videos, and documents between your Android device and your computer. Let's dive right in. First up, the most straightforward method is using a USB cable. Grab a reliable USB-C or USB-A cable, plug your Android phone into your PC, and swipe down on your phone's notification shade. Tap on the USB options and select File Transfer, or MTP, mode. On your PC, open File Explorer. Your phone should appear as a connected device. You can then browse folders, copy files, or even drag and drop them. It's quick, secure, and works with most Android devices in 2025. If you prefer going wireless, cloud services are your best friend. Apps like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Samsung Cloud allow seamless file access. Simply install the app on both your phone and PC, sign in with the same account, and upload files from your Android device. For example, with Google Drive, you can enable auto-upload for photos and access them instantly on your computer. This method is perfect for larger files or when you're on the go. For more advanced users, let's talk about Android Debug Bridge, ADB. In 2025, ADB has become even more user-friendly with built-in AI assistance. Enable USB debugging in your phone's developer options, found by tapping build number in settings 7 times. Download ADB from the official Android SDK, connect your phone via USB, and use simple commands like ADB pull to transfer files. It's a powerful tool for backups and custom transfers, but remember to use it safely. One quick tip: always ensure your devices are updated to the latest software for better compatibility. If you encounter issues, like your PC not recognizing your phone, try restarting both devices or installing the latest drivers from your manufacturer's website. There you have it: multiple ways to access your Android files on PC in 2025. This not only saves time but also keeps your data organized. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.